Today we are going to start our new chapter, chapter number 16, representing 3D in 2D. Only exercise 16.1 and 16.2 is in our syllabus. This is an introduction video. In this video, I will explain you what is 2D shapes and what is 3D shapes. Now, you can see this card. What is the shape of this card is? This is a rectangle. What is the shape of this card is? Rectangle. You can see that in this rectangle has two sides. This length and breadth. Length and breadth. And it not occupy any space. This is called a 2D shape. This type of shape is called a 2D shapes. Okay. And see this box. What is the shape of this box is? Cuboid. What is the shape of this box is? Cuboid. See, this box has a length, breadth and height. Okay. Length, breadth and height. So this is called a 3D shapes. So this is called three sides. That's why it is called a 3D shape figure. Okay. So you can in other language say this is called a solid and it occupies some space. It occupies some space. So this is called a solid. Okay. So a figure which has two sides, it's called a 2D shapes. A figure which has a three sides is called a 3D shapes. Okay. So this is a cuboid. Like that, I take this box. See, what is the shape of this box is? It's a cube. What is this? A cube. It also has a three sides. Length, breadth and height. Clear? Length, breadth and height. That's why it is called a cube and it occupies some space also. This is called a cube. 3D shape. In the same way, see this glass? It looks like a cylinder. So it occupies some space also. This is also a 3D shape. Same as this ball. See, it's a sphere. It occupies some space. Okay, so that's why it is called a 3D shape. So 2D shapes are square, rectangle, circle and triangle. A figure which has two sides is called a 2D shapes. In the same way 3D shapes are there. A cube, a cuboid, sphere, cone and cylinder. Those having a 3D shapes, those having a three sides, it's called. This first figure is called a cube. Okay, this is called a plane surface. So total 6 faces are there in the cube. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 equal faces are there. All are in square shape. And this line is called edges. Okay. So total 12 edges are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and this one is left 12. Okay. So total 12 edges are there. Where two lines are meet, that is called vertex. So total 8 vertex are there. In the cube, you can see in this box, this is like a cube. So this is called a plane surface. Face, this is face, this is face. Okay, and these points is called a vertex and this type of lines is called a edges. Clear? What is face diagonal and space diagonal? So total 6 faces are there. So double of their diagonal. If this one is face, diagonal is like that, cross. So how many cross will be there? 12 cross will be there. So that is called a face diagonals. In the same way, the space diagonal of a cube or cuboid is the line segment that join the opposite vertices of a cube or cuboid passing through their interior. This is our definition. So in the face diagonal, you done 12 diagonals like that. Okay, in the space from this point to this point. Okay, from this point to this point. So how many diagonals are there? 4 diagonals are there. Okay, same is in the cuboid. Total 6 faces are there. Face 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But opposite face are equal and all are in a rectangular shape. Okay, and in the same way 12 edges are there, 8 vertices are there, and face diagonals 12 and space diagonal 4, same as a cube. See the figure number 3. This figure is called a cylinder, where 2 circles are there. This is called circular plane surface in the top, also in the bottom. And this middle part is called the curved surface. So cylinder has 2 plane surface and 1 curved surface. So total 3 faces are there. And this is called edge. So 2 edges are there, edge 1 and edge 2. Okay, and no vertices. Next figure is cone. Cone is like in this shape. This is the circular region and this one is a curved. One is curved and one is plane. Okay, so a cone has 2 faces, 1 plane and 1 curved, and no edge and 1 vertex. This is called the vertex of the cone. Okay, so this is called a sphere. Sphere has no edge, no vertex, only 1 curved surface. Okay, now we will do the net of cube. Now what is the meaning of net of cube? So this one is called a base. Okay, so this is the front part, so we will say this one is front. Okay, this is right hand side here, and this is left hand side here. This is top, and in the back, so that is called back, B. Clear? So this is base, this one is front, this is right, this is left, this is top, and that is back. You can understand from this, if this is a cube, clear? Then this is top, this is front, this is base, this is right, this one is left, and this one is back. Okay. Now how to open this cube? We can understand from this box. If this box is like a cube, if this one is front, okay, here I write F, this one is right, this one is left, this one is top, this one is back, and this one is base. Okay, if I am going to open from the front side, first this side will come left, this right, then back will come this side, and top will move up. It's look like that. The cube net is look like that. If I will open taking front as a first, then it will look like that. Okay, front, this one is the right side, this one is the left side, this one is the back, top, and this one is the base. Like that we can open the cube. Okay, here I give the example through this paper of cube to you, but in exam you have to imagine. Okay, like that we will open our cuboid also. Okay, here I am taking one cuboid picture. Okay, we know that cuboid has a 6 faces. If we will open, then it will be open like that. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 faces are there. So cuboid also open. So net of the cuboid is look like that. Okay. Exercise 16.1. Question number 1. This type of figure is given to you. They said write their name. The net of the figure is given to you and they said find the name of this figure. You can see this is like a rectangle and two circles are there. Okay, so in which figure two circle and one curved figure is there? That is cylinder. So this is called a cylinder. See in the second figure, one cone is given to you like that and one circle is given to you like that. So what type of this figure? If we take the example of paper, if we fold like that, it become a cone. Clear? So what is the net of this figure is? This is a cone. Clear? So next, see how many faces are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and all are in a rectangular shape like that. And but this figure become cuboid. So this is a cuboid. Next is a shape on a square. So what is this shape is called? It's look like a cube. So it's a cube. Clear? Here I am using these type of paper, but in exam you are not using these type of paper. In exam you have to imagine. Okay. So see in the question number 2, they said draw the net of a dice. So we know that in a dice total 6 numbers are there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But you have to remember that in a dice opposite numbers, opposite sides number, their sum always equal to 7. Okay. So opposite numbers, if 1, then what is opposite of 1? 6. Their plus become 7. Okay. If number 3, then their opposite must be 4. 7. If we are writing 2, then their opposite must be 5. 7. Okay. Like that we can draw a net of dice. Okay. So imagine here I take 1 as a front. Okay. If I consider this one is a front. Okay. Like that. If I consider this one is a front, then what will be their right? 2 become right. Clear? And 3 become base. Clear? And 5 become left. Clear? Front, right, base, left. Then 6 will be back. And 4 will be the top. Now you can see what is the opposite of front? Back. What is the opposite of right? Left. What is the opposite of top? Base. Otherwise you can say bottom. Okay. So what is front? 1. Their opposite is back. What is 6? Back. Okay. So 1 plus 6, 7. Clear? Right. What is in the right? 2. So opposite of right is left. What is left? 5. 2 plus 5, 7. Clear? Then what is our top? 4. And what is our back? 3. Otherwise we can, back, bottom. So base. So 3, 4 plus 3, 7. So like that we can draw a net of a dice. Okay. See in the question number 3, this type of net is given to you. They said find the edge will meet JK. JK. This one is JK. JK will meet with which edge? Okay. And second is which edge will meet LM. LM. Okay. So to clear you this, I am using one rough sketch of this. You can see I draw like that same on the paper. Okay. I hope this one is visible to you. Now see, this is JK. Clear? JK. Now if I make in a cube like that, so you can see JK is meet with AB. You can see here JK is meet with AB. So our first answer is AB. Clear? Okay. So now second part question is LM. So here this is L and this is M. LM meet with KL. So meet with KL. This is our answer. Clear? LM meet with KL. See the question number 4th. This type of figure is given to you. They said the dice is given to you in a net form and you have to find out the value of X, Y and Z. Okay. You can see here I draw the same net with paper. Okay. If we fold like that, we can easily find the value of X, Y and Z. Y opposite 3, X opposite to 5 and 1 is opposite to Z. In the last sum I explained you the opposite of the numbers of the dice, their sum always equal to 7. Okay. So like that a figure, if we consider 1 is in front, then 3 become right and Y become left. Clear? And Z become on the back and X top and 5 bottom. Clear? So like that we will imagine if this is front, this become left, this is right, this is back, this is base and this is top. Already we done. Top opposite is base, front opposite is back and left opposite is right. Okay. If 1 is top, then what is, if 1 is front, F, then what is in the back, Z, mean Z is equal to 6. 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. Okay. If 3 is left, what is right, Y. So what we have to add in 3, we get 7, 4. So R become 4. Right means Y. Clear? Next is X. If X is top, then what is the base? Bottom, 5. So X become 1. Okay. Like that is our answer. Z is 6,
Y is 4,
Y
and X
is
is equal
4
to 2.
and X is 1. Okay. Question number 5. So this type of net is given to you. They said find whether there is a cube or not. So here I draw one paper like that, same. Okay. Now fold it. This become top, left, right, back, and this one extra. Nothing is there. So it is not a cube. So its answer is cross. It's not a cube. Clear? So next question, second part. So this type of net is given to you. Okay. Now fold it Let's see it become a net cube or not. Front, top, right, base, back, and so you can see it become a cube. So its answer is yes. Now third, see this type of cube is given to you. Okay, if we fold, so yes, it become a cube. So its answer also is a yes. Now see the fourth. This type of net is given to you. Fold it. So you can see it become a cube. So also yes. So in the fifth question, see this type of net is given to you. If we fold, so yes, it become a cube. So its also answer is a yes. So last part, this cube is given to you. Okay, if we fold it, so yes, it's also become a cube. Exercise 16.4. In this exercise, we will learn to view the building in different sides. Okay, see one type of building picture is given to you. If you view the, see in this figure, object give different view when they are viewed from different angles. See example of building shown to you. There are different views from the different angles. Okay, when we see the same building from the front side, we can see the front view of the building. See in this building, the front view is the door one, so it's the front view. If we will see the same from the top, then it will show from the top view. Okay, if we same view from the side, it will come side view. If we see the same building from the back angle side, so it will be back view. Like that we will view other solid image also. Okay, like cylinder, cone, dice, like that type of images.